that. Remember the old Beatles, with the Beatles hairstyle? Paul McCartney, sort of, he stands out like a sore thumb, doesn't he? Look at this one, yeah. The nose is in a way. This is the 60s hairstyle again. Stick it there. Doesn't look the same now. No, it's sideways. There he is there. See the nose, the eye, hair, sideways, chin, mouth. Look there with the builder's hat on. And moustache. This is in mortar. That one there. I put it down later on as this is where it's, where is it now? AA74. AA74. This is AA72. So I've gone in another choice there where it's gone darker. But here it shows brighter. See, there's the three wise men up here. 1, 2, 3. When you press this, candles will come up to show you where they are. And the next one is Joseph, Mary and Jesus. Joseph, Mary looking over the cot, and there's Jesus. It'll show 3 candles again. They are, I made them appear, right, so that was the flock, the sheep outside the stable, showing them. And then this God is talking to a family and holding the mother's hand. Here we are. Just pull that back a bit. Look. This is four candles will come up now showing God and the 3 family members. 4. Yeah. And then these others showing faces in the water. Look at that one there now. Right, so I'll just pull it up there now. Put it on big for you to watch the video itself. There the man knows he's facing God. He's there. Child is there. There's a child's nose facing God. And the woman, you can see the back of her head, she's facing God. And his hand here is holding the woman's hand. It's, and all this is inside. Running water. You'll see there's a face here, eye, mouth, chin, hair. There's his arm down here, the man is his leg. He's standing up there, he's doing something with all this. Who knows what? Another face there, mouth, eye, forehead, hat. People are everywhere. As I say, these people in the burqas walking around here. Right. That's it. Three wise men. And this is the star, isn't it? They follow the star. I think that's the star. And then you've got Joseph, Mary, and baby Jesus. And you've got the sheep down here, the flock. And these are the raw running water shots. See you could see partially a face, and there, like is the nose and the mouth. Bloke with a builder's hat on, looking that way, and as you go frame by frame by frame, so the face alters until it becomes perfect. But to spend the hours I'd have to spend on a 4-minute video, I'd have to spend about 3 weeks going through it frame by frame. And there's not the interest for me to spend that amount of time. If people want to discuss it with me, I think that's fantastic. Like, but because look at this one, his hair, is his ear, look, beard, 2 fingers on a hand, and those 3 stand out like a sore thumb. There's also a leg here, I'm trying to work out who the leg belongs to. But it's a leg, and then from there down, it looks like a sock and there's a shoe. Whose leg is it? Another bloke lying, yeah? There's his eye, there's his nose, there's his chin, hair. He looks, oh, he's got a bottle of bloody wine in his hand, like he's keylight. That's not his leg, huh? Weird, isn't it? Fascinating. To me, and to about 10 other people in the world. There we are. Let's carry on with these. See, these are the ones where I've gone right in until you can't get them all of it. And there's less detail in. But what I find with these is that the yellow parts, you'll get no more out of it because it's like, as I said before, it's like a watercolor wash. So that there's nothing you can pull out of it because it's all the same. But when you've got a bit of black here, and a bit of red there, you can draw something out of that to make. So I've seen myself, see the bloke here now, is his mouth.